Ever wondered why your coconut milk curdles while cooking and how to prevent it? Understanding the chemistry behind it is the key to mastering the art of cooking with this tropical ingredient. Coconut milk is essentially an emulsion, a mixture of fat and water. When heat is applied, water molecules start moving rapidly, forming steam. This steam generation can cause the fat and water emulsion to separate, a process we know as curdling. To prevent this, we need to maintain the stability of the emulsion. There are a few steps to follow that can help prevent coconut milk from curdling. Firstly, cooking coconut milk over low heat helps keep the temperature from getting too hot and disrupting the emulsion. Secondly, stirring the coconut milk slowly and continuously will assist in maintaining the emulsion's stability. Thirdly, acidic ingredients can disturb the emulsion, so avoid adding acidic ingredients like lime or vinegar before the coconut milk is fully cooked. Lastly, ingredients like cornstarch or rice flour can be added as stabilizers to help keep the emulsion intact. By following these steps, you can cook with coconut milk without the worry of it curdling. In essence, the secret to preventing coconut milk from curdling lies in understanding its emulsion nature and maintaining this emulsion's stability. This can be achieved by cooking on low heat, stirring gently, avoiding the addition of acidic ingredients too early, and using a stabilizer. Master these techniques and you'll be on your way to perfecting your coconut milk-based dishes. Happy cooking!